Ka Commerce Department jong ka Bhoi College menta ka singi ka khandai trik jemmang hadin balayo ya ka result HSSLC examination araja arpulai kalayo khe je uso ubathiang hakaba kilayo ya ka pass percentage ka ba 91.6% haringkat ki distinction Nakaliang ka college ki penpau baki dap da ka jingsngeu komen ka bakrau habayu I baki samla pule nakane ka dong bat katahin Bhoi kilas dang ban kenjo syakmat bat syaprang ban yaringkat bat ki wepan.
Congratulate the Commerce Department which has done very well this year. They have produced excellent results. Students have many of the students got first division. Thanks to the great efforts of the Commerce Department as well as the English department, because few students, at least one student has got better marks in English. Congratulations to the English department also. I hope that the Iwei College will continue in the future producing good results.
Healthy welcome to each and every teacher and as well as the students who are able to assemble here. Today is a day which is very happy to each and every one of us being a part of Bhoi College, and I congratulate two students. One is what is your name? Yarilang Sinkli and Jovelyn Frank, for giving an excellent result to the college, and I hope the students, I see two of you, the other students will also continue to give good results, not just in commerce, but also in other streams, also in arts. We're expecting a good results in arts also. Then I wish the students, the Commerce Department, for their efforts, for being able to give a very good result. Had it not been the great effort of the student and as well as the contribution of the teachers, maybe we'll not be able to see this day. And we hope that the two of them, not just the two of them, all outgoing students, the one who has passed out, to be able to do well, not only in the exams to come, but to be also be successful in life. May you spread the light of the Bhoi College far and wide and keep the torch burning, so that it will not only encourage the students but will also make the teachers felt with satisfaction. That's all.
Yes, congratulations for Yari and for Joe. Thank you very much for your effort. I know very well Yari Langsikli. She's not keeping well during her exams. She's got health problems. But in spite of the fact that she's not healthy, but then she's tried and somehow she secured first division with a very good percentage. And besides that, her father is not well. And I think all of you know that her father passed away last week, and the funeral is just last Sunday only. So she has to struggle at home, but still she can get the good percentage. So my dear students, class 12 for commerce, I just want to encourage you. If Yarilang simply could get 70%, you can get more than that, right? So I would like to urge for you to do well in your studies. Right from today itself, start preparing, have your own routine, and you can always consult your teachers in times of need. I hope and believe that your teachers are ready to help you in your educational problems. And if you have any other problems, also you can consult the education teachers and the teachers who are in charge of guidance and counseling center. And yes, congratulations to the Commerce Department as a whole, as well as for English Department. Yes, I hope and believe that in the near future, the students will bring good results from this college. So Again, best wishes to all the teachers and the students, especially those who have to sit for the final examination. So thank you very much.
Support encourage kalian mati nombang ikut but baru jong college ba aji start ini kiper makin baru ba layarap lagi di college pun kita baru makin menubah tang lah kuat ban prepare bahan bahan kat kami dan jujur nak ban check up itu as kamu tak dipa kena masuk ban prepare bahan ba pada kataru na ayo bang tang punya bang la tang tidak